Hello friends, let's start with the next tutorial, map in Java. In case you have missed my previous tutorial, which is HashSet, linked HashSet or TreeSet, then I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now let's start with the next tutorial, map in Java. Map is basically of three types, HashMap, linked HashMap, TreeMap. Now what is map? Map is an entry which contain two values. One is key, one is value. So it contains key value pair. If you remember in HashSet, it contain only value part like HashSet object dot add Ramesh I did in my previous tutorial. HashSet object dot add Suresh. So only one value. But in HashMap, it contain key value pair. Like a student. Student has a roll number and a name. So you can use HashMap for that. HashMap contains unique keys. It means duplicate keys are not allowed. Now, what are three types of HashMap? Map is of three type: HashMap, linked HashMap, TreeMap. Well, difference is exactly same as set. In case you have not seen this, then I request you to have a look at this video. It will be helpful for interview as well. Now, HashMap contain unique keys, linked HashMap contain unique keys, TreeMap contain unique keys. HashMap allow null key and value, linked HashMap allow null key and value, but TreeMap does not allow null key and value. This is one difference. Other is HashMap does not maintain insertion order. It will give you random result. Linked HashMap, because it contains linked list, which is address of next node, it maintains the insertion order. And TreeMap, just like these three, the difference is same. TreeMap contains the ascending order of keys. Let's see this one by one. Now syntax is same like HashSet. We will write HashMap. Now give key value. In HashSet you used to give only key or only one part, but here we have key value. We will give key, which is roll number, and in value we will save name variable equal to new HashMap. That's it. Now one more difference is in ArrayList, vector, stack, set, you used to write object.add, but here you will write object.put. Key is integer like roll number 100, value is Ramesh. Now I want to print it. HashMap does not maintain the insertion order. HashMap store key value pair, which is entry set. So m colon, this is for each loop, h1 dot entry set. It will give you map dot entry one by one. Now to print this you will write sysout key. What is your key? M dot get key space value. What is your value? M dot. Let's run this. Well, see here, insertion order is 100, 104, 102, but here it is giving random result. If you will have multiple, like many entries, then you will be able to see the difference. It is giving random result. So HashMap does not maintain any order. Next we have linked HashMap. Linked HashMap maintains the insertion order, right? Everything is same. If you will run this, see, order of insertion is maintained. First 100, then 104, then 102, then 103. Next we have TreeMap. TreeMap maintains the key order. So 100, then 102, then 103, then 104. This is what I'm expecting. Let's run this. Indeed, the order is maintained for the key. This is the difference between HashMap, TreeMap, and LinkedHashMap. Well, I hope you like the session. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you, friends.